Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another latest update of Pancakeswap. My friends, this video is going to be very special, going to be very urgent for all Pancakeswap holders, because in this video we discuss a serious issue of Pancakeswap. The Pancakeswap are going to the moon. So first of all, I want to congratulate all Pancakeswap holders at this time, and I'm very happy personally. Pancakeswap is my favorite coin. You can see here that I also favorite Pancakeswap, my friends. You can see here I give a star to Pancakeswap because cake is my favorite this time in the market, my friends. Now my friends, before seeing the more details, I request everyone to please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So my friends, the latest price of the Pancakeswap in the market is 16.98 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the Pancakeswap in the market. This time in latest price you can see here. That is the latest live update of the Pancakeswap you are watching now on the screen. On the other side, if we talk about the prices open in the Pancakeswap, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is negative, my friend. Only the previous since the last 1 day and last 1 week pricing is negative, my friends. But from last 1 hour this time the Pancakeswap start moving positive, start jumping, my friends, and absolutely all cake holders are very happy to see this jump so far in a Pancakeswap, my friends. Let's see the price chart of the Pancakeswap. You can see here, my friends, as I told you that in a previous time a very badly the price of Pancakeswap falls down, but now at the last the Pancakeswap gradually start moving upward, and now at this time they are going very good, my friends. The last 1 hour pricing is positive. That is why I told you that Pancakeswap are going to the moon. Cake are going to the moon, and cake are going to make you millionaire because the prices start moving upward. So that is why I recommend for everyone in this time. So if you are an investor of Pancakeswap, so please hold. Don't decide to sell. If you decide to sell at this time, so as I show you that the last 1 week pricing is negative, so that means that you are in the loss, my friends. On the other side, if we look the last 1 hour pricing, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, but we can't deal in the hours, my friends. You have to wait for a month, you have to hold for a week. This is how you can make a profit with the cryptocurrencies market. So this time I recommend to it's time to hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Pancakeswap? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe if you stay channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.